What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunna Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, hold on, man. I put on my headphones. I mean, they don't work, you know what I'm saying? But they make me feel like I'm a world-renowned DJ, disc jockey. But anyway, man, you know this is no fluff YouTube. So I'm going to get right to it, baby. I'm going to tell you how I built my $7 million drip empire from scratch. I'm going to tell you how I did it. Ain't nobody else going to tell you that. You know what I'm saying? So what we're going to do right now, man, first of all, this is number one. Numero uno. This button right here, just like I'm about to do. I'm about to hydrate almost $21,000, bro. Who doing that on video? Who? They'll tell you, yeah, I hydrated for a whole month. I hydrated for a whole year. And blah, blah, blah. Ain't nobody showing it on video. You know what I'm saying? I hydrated, bro. When I started, that's what basically built up my account. I hydrated before I even had a team. Guys, you have to hydrate. Hydrate is the key to this thing, man. I'm telling you. Mask, I made a mask slow. But I'm finna hydrate this 21,000, baby. You finna see it. And as you can see, the price of drip going down right now. This was what 1.76 million. That's 1.75 million. Guys, I don't care what the price of drip is. Never have. You know what I'm saying? That's for like, I know a lot of people care about, it doesn't matter. Only thing you need to worry about is getting this number up, getting your deposits up. Getting your deposits up. Because I'm going to let you know right now, there will never be another whale like me in drip. Unless they already rich and buy their way in. You can't. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. That's why I told y'all from day one, guys, get as many drip as you can, build up your deposits, get this, take this free money you getting right here and compound it on top of that. See, this is going to put me over 15,000. Watch. Bam, here we go. Compound success. I'm over 15,000. I told you that when I was at like 9,000. Bro, I'm going to keep compounding and getting my way to 15,000. That's what I did. So this right here, it'd be like 2.4 million, 2.3 million. Sometimes be 1.7, 1.9. It averages around 2 million, right? So now let me show you my other account. Let me get to that right quick. Now let's jump over here to the big team. Y'all know this be fluctuating. Be sometimes 5.4 million, 5.3, sometimes be 4.7, whatever. Averages around 5 million. So that's 50,000 over here and 20,000 on the other one. That's 70,000. That ain't even counting the animal farm what I make over there. That ain't even counting the drip garden. So I'm just averaging around, you know what I'm saying, $70,000 a day. You know what I'm saying? $7 million drip account. I'm gonna tell you how I built it, right? So look, check this out. I'm gonna go back to the beginning. We're gonna go all the way back to the beginning, around the beginning. Now, Forex Shark, I'm keeping it on here right quick before I get to that. Forex Shark called me about drip. Drip launched in April, so I guess we talked about February, right? Now, a lot of people who know me know I already know this story, but I got a lot of new people, so I'm going to go over it. So Forex Shark called me around about February, right? Now, I was already retired. Hex had already retired me. So I was already doing pretty good. I was chilling with my feet kicked up. I was eating a salad from McAllister Deli, drinking a Diet Coke, you know what I'm saying, my flip-flops on, you know what I'm saying, with shades on, indoors. But anyway, he called me, we was going over. He didn't even have a name for it. He's like, I want to do a water theme and blah, blah, blah. I want to take, the good parts of, Tron chain and flow and this and that and make something that's sustainable. All right, cool. And he went over all this stuff about all this. So I was like, hey, man, cool. Because let me go back a little bit more. Forex Shark started in my Telegram. Now I think he had like a Discord or something. I think he was doing like Forex and trading and stuff. But one morning about 2:30, he came in my Telegram. He just said, man, I'm going to create my own coin. I was like, I didn't know who he was. I thought he was a female. I thought he was a female, to be honest with you. I hadn't talked to him at that point. But he said, I'm going to create my own coin. I was like, cool, bro. Do your thing. Hey, man, we'll support you. And we did. We supported it. I think it was Rake. Either Rake, Reap, something like that. It was a long time ago, the first coin. And that was on Ethereum. And boy, we made so much money on that coin. Oh, my goodness. And so from there, you know what I'm saying, still trying to make a name for himself or whatever. So he came up with another coin, doing his thing. So now, fast forward, like he called me. That's the first time I had actually talked to him. We were talking about it. He came up with the name Drip. And so that's when he came up with the name and he offered to, get in the pre-sale. I ain't in the Dow. I ain't in none of that stuff, bro. I'm a loner. Yeah, crypto is a solo sport. I ain't even nobody. Forex has never gave me a dime to talk about drip. You know what I'm saying? Richard Hart never gave me nothing to talk about Hex. And those but the two best things I done had in crypto. People done paid me to talk about all kind of stuff. The two things I ain't got paid for to make the most money. Ain't that crazy? But anyway, so yeah, man. So then, it was me, like me, Ray, Black Sheep, Crypto Talk, all like the YouTubers that's in this space. You know what I'm saying? We tried to get Trayvon and Crypto Slow and all them. They wouldn't do it. They was married to, a bank teller at the time. So they was like, nah, bump that. We ain't doing it. So, you know what I'm saying? We did it. And I think at the time I put in, the max was, because he said, do you want to get in the pre-sale? I was like, yeah. And he was like, well, the minimum is something. I think he said 10 BNB. I tell all my people, always bring the sledgehammer. So first thing I said was, damn, the minimum, what's the maximum? I always ask, what's the max? I don't care what the minimum. What is the max, bro? And he said the maximum was 50 BNB. At the time, I think BNB, everybody talking about BNB was going to 1,000. I was like, it was like $600 or something. Boom, what you want me to send it to? You know what I'm saying? So he came up with the pre-sale and everything. I put in 50 BNB. You know how much money that is, bro? Like 50 BNB. That's a lot. Now, we talking about some Tron chain that failed, Flow had failed. That's a lot of money to risk on something you ain't even got no UI. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's high risk, high reward. If I'd have lost that, nobody would have felt sorry for me. Everybody would have moved on. Nothing. But anyway, fast forward, right? So boom, drip comes out. Does pretty well. Goes up to I think it went up like $27. Now, here's where the rubber meets the road. Here's where everything changed right here. Let me show you. So now, here's where it gets real, right? So drip goes up to like $27 or whatever, $25 or whatever. Now, it starts to go back down. Kind of like it's doing now. $23, $20, $17, $15, $11, $9, $7, $5. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see this. $3.95. It was actually lower than that because this is after I made my deposit. So it was lower than this, but I made a big deposit. As you can see, $10,000 into drip on June the 27th, 2021. Now, if you go back and watch, pull up any videos around this time, around June of last year, wasn't nobody talking about drip. I was carrying this platform on my back, bro. Everybody had left. Ray had left. Drip don't get no views. I ain't talking about it. He wasn't talking about it. Crypto Talk had left. Talking about the government gonna shut it down. He was banning people in the Telegram. He don't mention drip. Only people talking about drip, I think, was me, Black Sheep, and a couple more people. This is fact. I'm just telling the truth. I'm just going back over the history. You know what I'm saying? Now, everybody on board now. We kept fighting a good fight. Everybody back on board. The admins in the Telegram. Shout out to all them people. I'm just going back to this time period, right? When drip was, boy, this thing might have been on the way out. But your boy, the drip god, was carrying this thing on my back. By my Forrest couldn't believe people how they were falling off like that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, I don't know what to tell you, bro. But I'm here. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I don't take no mess from nobody. Because I was the only one here, bro. When this thing was $3, I was making new deposits. $10,000 deposit in the drip. I showed it. I went to Pancake Swap, was selling all that stuff, all that, them reflex tokens, and I was selling all that stuff. Got $10,000, bought some BNB, deposited into the platform. It got me, let me see if I can show you this. I don't know if you can see, you hear this right here. So it's actually 24.51, but it got me 24,095 drip. Not 24,000, 2,495 drip, right? And boom, drip took off. It took off after that. You can look at subsequent videos and it went up to like $20, $30, $40. And that's how I got rich. You know what I'm saying? Because I got so many. Let me show you something right quick. I'm going to show you. Let me show you what 36 BNB will get you right now. Remember, 36 BNB got me 2,400 and some change drip. I'm showing you where they get you right now. 36 BNB will get you 122 drip. That's why you will never see another whale like me. Because nobody was willing to take the risk I took. You see what I'm saying? You have to take risk in crypto, bro. This is not for the faint of heart. You see what I'm saying? This ain't play time. If you want to make the money we making, you got to take the risk. I went all in with everything. Give me the max. I went back in. I even made deposits after that. And now, the second part of that is, you have to build a team. Well, you don't have to, but building a team helps. And when I was the only one talking about it, so of course I'm gonna have a big team. Because people looking at the drip, looking at me, I join your team. You see what I'm saying? If you ain't talking about it, I mean, people still got big teams. But even if you can't, drip is so awesome. Even if you can't build a team, guys, and a lot of y'all know this firsthand. A lot of people ain't got nobody on their team, and it's still doing great. That 1% a day is all that count, bro. Focus on that. Even people that try to get in today, I don't even tell them about price. Don't worry about the price. It pays you 1% a day of what your own merits, of your own doing, your own work. Now, if you have the ability to get a team, get a team. Spread the good word. I already told y'all to get rich, get a YouTube channel, spread the word, Telegram, Discord, spread the word, bro. You know what I'm saying? Even as the price going down, drip is the best thing in crypto. Even if it go up to 500,000, I told you, at $100, 115, whatever the bottom gonna be, I'm right here carrying it on my back. Y'all be talking all this other stuff, baby drip, this and that. No, I'm not doing none of that stupid stuff, bruh. For what? You don't have to do all that, bruh. Concentrate on something and build up your bag. Build up your drip stack. Because you will not get up to where I'm at. There's no more. You can't do it. It's impossible. Ain't nobody walking around with a spare $4 million, bro. It's not going to happen. But you can get close. You need to stack up your deposit, bro. So this is how you do it. You make your initial deposit and then you hydrate. You keep hydrating and you add to it. You buy more drip. You make new deposits. It's like boxing. You see, when I watch Mike Tyson box, he don't just throw jabs all the time. Jab, 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 jab. The whole fight. You got to 1-2 it. Jab and uppercut. You know what I'm saying? Hook. Jab, hook. Uppercut, jab. Body shot. You got to hit it more than one way. You know what I'm saying? So you get in here. You hydrate. You try to get a team if you can. If you can't, that's fine. Be your own team. You go over here to the swap, buy you some new drip and add to it. Just keep getting this up, bro. Keep getting them deposits up. And this money will go up. And you build your own empire. Some people get paid on $1 million. That's okay. Some people get paid on $100,000. Some people get paid on $10,000. That's everybody. And they living just as good. You can live. It's all about how your lifestyle is, bro. You may not live like I live. In my other group, when people live overseas in different countries, man, they building these little houses and stuff. That's good. Ain't making nowhere near the money I'm making, but the money is different parts of the country. So you don't have to get a $5 million account. But the goal is to stay consistent. Consistently hydrate, consistently add to your drip, and you'll be fine. And then we got the animal farm. Now we got that. Come on over here to the animal farm, see what's going on. I got, 12,000, 4,000, that's $16,000, $17,000 to get out right now. I can live off just that. You know what I'm saying? So but we ain't talking about the garden and all that, man. But look here. So that's how you do it, man. If anybody want to know how to do it, that's how you do it. It's easy peasy. You know what I'm saying? This your boy Stunna Breezy, man. Like the video. Like this good information. Comment, subscribe. Holler back at your boy, man.